Want to boost your productivity without spending a dime? In this video, I'll share the top 3 free AI tools I personally use to save hours every week. Perfect for creators, students, and professionals. First, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI, an incredibly versatile assistant. Whether you're drafting emails, writing blog posts, generating ideas, or even debugging code, ChatGPT gets it done. I rely on it for weekly planning and solving complex queries in just seconds. Next is Pictory.ai, my go-to video creation platform. It turns scripts and blog posts into engaging videos using AI. You select the visuals, voice, and music, and boom, your content is ready. It's a game changer if you're building a content channel like I am. Finally, Notion AI or Grammarly AI. These tools make writing smoother and smarter. Whether you're summarizing long content, improving grammar, or organizing your thoughts, think of them as your digital writing assistants. These 3 AI tools help me stay focused, create better, and get more done, and the best part? They're all free to start. I'll dive deeper into each one in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and join me as we explore intelligence with intention.